forget him what he's doing.
Huh?
Daddy, that pickup is also can dance?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a bird.
You ask the bird to dance.
Lapit ka pa. Bakit
Hadak.
nakalayo ka?
Ayos ko.
The pickup is scaring all the birds.
Ayan. Ay, wala. Ang laki naman.
Nag-aaway sila ng
Kasi
ostrich.
ang laki ng ano. Ay, sus naman.
Whoa!
Napakalaki naman. Ay,
Gosh.
parang dinosaur naman yan.
Worms.
Yes, parang dinosaur. Parang mga ano eh. Parang mga... Parang siga-siga oh. Sabi niya, sino dyan? Labas sa akin.